Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and once again, welcome to the stream, or as it happens, the future recording of the stream. As of now, I am by myself, but that's okay. I'm here, as you can hear. I've got Nuclear Throne music in the background, which I am almost certain is blaring over every word I say. But hey, you know, these things happen. Well, without any further ado, I'm going to play some Nuclear Throne. I've got some plans later on. We'll see how they pan out. But for now, let's do some gaming. Let's see, Nuclear Throne, Nuclear Throne, Nuclear Throne. Quite a lot of games in my little list of windows here. Okay. How does this look? Nope, that's new. What's going on there? Down. There we go. I can bring that out a little bit. There we go. Maybe a little more. Hey, nice. Cool. Let's do this. I'm actually going to turn the volume down a little bit. It's actually really loud in my ears. Oh my god, because it wasn't actually at the volumes I wanted. Oh well. There we go, it's a bit better. Anyway, I have some tea and I'm ready to go. We're playing steroids. I did this really awesome melee run the other day that I am eager to repeat in a format which is in some way recorded. So we'll see how we get on with that. So I'm just readjusting some of my settings. There we go. Pardon me. Ooh, that's a good start. Oops. Let's see, regenerating ammo. None of these are great for the melee run, so I'm just going to take health, I think. Pretty sure I hit him with a wrench, but whatever. Oh, goodness. It's going to take me a while to get used to this rate and range, I think. Ooh, popcorn. That's not actually very good. Looking good, looking good. So how are all of you this evening? I am absolutely grand. Feeling fresh. Surprisingly so, actually. Getting more sleep than usual. I think it's really showing. This is a key thing for the melee run. I might later on regret not taking the oh god why the resistance explosion. What's it? Oh, I want two weapons so badly. Excellent. I'm letting myself get hurt quite a lot because I'm basically stupid. Hopefully I can curb that. Just gotta get the timing right. These rats are tricky. I'm probably not gonna do very well if I chance it too much. Like that. I'm trying to be too tricksy. I've really got to kind of focus, you know. Whoop. Got a machine gun, good solid start. Another machine gun, that's an even more solid start. Greetings, Carthanex, welcome to the stream. I am currently trying to be Trixie. This is may or may not work out for me. We'll see how it pans out. Oh, I hate that guy so very much. Ow. That's why I hate that guy. Because he does that, and it hurts quite a lot. Slugger, not great. I mean, I was hoping for a melee weapon. But, you know, you get what you get, really. This, however, is nice. Oh no! Did I get it? I got it. It's nice. Screwdriver's pretty nice. The high rate of fire really works when you're doing a melee run. If you get some of the fire rate increasing abilities, oh god, bullets everywhere. You can really block most of the attacks directed towards you, which is really quite nice. I'm trying to like speak and focus and shoot and oh my god. Oh, 2 screwdrivers. This may or may not be the best or worst thing that's ever happened to us. This may go well, this may go very, very badly. And once again, I still don't really have any really good melee mutations here. Corpses flying hit harder's pretty good. Ooh, I got 2, nice. Again, not really great. More HP from health, medkits, or yeah, I think that's the superior upgrade. Maybe you can only die at 1, but I think more HP from medkits is the way to go. Let's do this. Try not to stand still when you're doing this, because meleeing does drag you forward if you're moving. A jackhammer. Dare I risk a jackhammer? I mean, this is an all melee, but it does, at the same time, rely on rapid, constant fire. At least my technique. I might be better off with the jackhammer. Then again, I might not. I mean, I'm getting a really good rate of fire here. I might be alright. I think I'm going to ignore the jackhammer. But the energy, like melee weapons, I'll probably grab, because they're pretty sweet. Haha, haha! Good stuff. Got me this evening, I'm not very clear. I shall try to be more eloquent as the night drags on. Oh, what am I doing? Why did I run up to him like that? That was deeply stupid. Has it? Well, I'm dropping a lot of frames. What the hell is going on? Yeah, that's an awful lot of frames to be dropping. I don't know what may be causing that. Maybe with a sec. Let's see if we can fix this. Bear with me a sec, guys. I'm gonna drop the stream entirely and bring it back up and see if that fixes it. I will be back shortly. Stopping streaming. Of course, the recording keeps going naturally. That was weird. Well, okay. Start streaming again. Well, while that starts, I'm gonna keep going. Oh yeah, gangster level. Let's see if I'm back again. I also feel a little bit bad for these little downtimes for the later recordings, but it's a live broadcast. These things are going to happen. Okay, cool. Garthanex, how does it look? I'm getting no drop frames now. Let me know if it drops again, because that was weird. Like, I was literally getting 22% dropped frames, like out of nowhere. Oh god! Everything is terrible. This is, by the way, a secret level. Oh, a bazooka! Must resist. Golden laser pistol! Oh my god, that's brilliant! No! I love that level. It's actually, that's the first time I've actually gone through it, like, properly. Okay, well, I'm gonna go for resistance from explosions, because that's really handy if you're a melee character, because when you stab things that explode, you don't want to die. Oh, goodness me! And now I'm going to proceed to kill a boss with screwdrivers. Bring it! Ha ha ha! I am the best. Ha 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 ha! Have you played Nuclear Throne Garthanex? It's a pretty awesome game. Oh no! That was quite a significant amount of bad. Oh, that's why it's bad. These guys will ruin your life forever if you let them. Not doing a lot of damage, which is bad, which is really bad, which is really, really bad, really, really bad, really bad, really bad, really bad, really bad. Get out of here! No, why am I still here? I'm okay. I'm doing fine. Doing fine. It's a really fun game, Garthanex. I highly recommend it. There's a freaking crystal there, which will kill me like instantly, but everything here will kill me instantly, so it wasn't really a problem. I got the heart pumping. Good times. Right, okay. Let's try that again. One more go at the melee run. Unless we'll see what I get. I mean, if I get a melee weapon, I'll go for the melee run. If I don't, I won't. You know, I'll take it easy. Oh god, he's right in my face, right up there. Yeah, this is a great game if you like this kind of thing. I quite like these kind of like fast-paced shooters. Almost especially because I'm not very good at them. Well, I got a melee weapon, that answers that question. Yeah, I'm really not very good at these games, which... yeah. Take that for what? Oh god, why? Why? Forever. Laser pistol, you say? Crossbow's nice, but not that nice. Screwdriver, that's very nice. Excellent. I didn't get I didn't get on with that one so well. I couldn't get a hang of the controls. I think it's clearly designed for a gamepad. The control scheme. And I don't own a gamepad, so I didn't get on with it very well. Everything dies. Ah, excellent. Here's the one we want. Ones, rather. The more I get hurt, the higher my hit rate of fire is, so the more damage I take, the more deadly my melee weapons become. And when you start getting really low health, you're basically the storm of, like, damage is obscene. Oh god! Looking good. Alright, what else we got for me? Impact and hit harder, or I think impact and hit harder. That'll give me a little bit of damage grace, I kinda wanna say. Like, it would give me like extra bit of range damage, which I just lack. And because I'm beating people around, it's more pleasing, basically. Ooh, do I go for dual screwdrivers or keep the wrench? No, I think I need the wrench is good for that kind of burst of damage. Looking good. Right, what have we got? More item drops, more HP. I think more HP is the way to go. Because, I probably should have done that level a bit more before doing this, but whatever. I think I'll even out. Money! Oh, see? Got really nice rate of fire now. Are those gold barrel? I wanted that! Well. Golden wrench, yes please, sir. Am I in the boss already? Why am I in the boss? I was only at Scrapyard 1. That sniper is cramping my style. Where's my... There we are. Come on, get in there, get some real damage. Real men. Is that a super crossbow? So good! Oh, no, go away. Yeah! Jeweled. Okay, I want to take that one. That one's good. Gamma Guts hurts people who touch me. Which doesn't really help me if I'm just gonna like oh, why am I offline? Am I offline? It's telling me it is. It's telling me I'm offline. Hitbox, why are you so weird sometimes? Oh wow, there's a golden wrench in there. That's weird. Am I wearing a golden wrench when I place him again? Is this how this works? No, let's find out. I am! Why have I got a golden wrench? I don't... Okay, that's weird. Maybe this is a new thing. Maybe if you die with one of the golden weapons, you get to keep it? That'd be actually pretty sweet. But I'm not really in the mood to play steroids anymore, so I'm gonna abandon my menu. Whoop. Alright, random guy. Let's actually do a proper shooty gameplay. Ah yes, the robot's pretty nice. Robot, of course, gets advanced weapons. Well, this will bring me the last playthrough this evening of this. Then we'll move on to the main attraction. We'll be playing some interesting little games. Things will get interesting. Real interesting. Hopefully. Things might not be interesting at all. Who knows? Whoa, lots of bullets. Oh, a crossbow. I'll grab that. Don't really need a wrench. Don't really like the crossbows personally. I'm too much of a spray and play gamer for that kind of action. Oh, hang on, why are you not dead? It went right through your brain. I'm gonna grab this SMG instead. Just for that kind of like close up, edge of your sheet, shooty action. To a sip of tea there was probably a mistake. Ah, I took bullets! So, see that over there? That's a plasma gun. I'm still in the desert. That's pretty good. Well, Robot's special ability is he finds more advanced weapons, so that's pretty cool. I don't really want to use energy at this point though. I'll wait for the next level and ruin the rats with it. Except for him. Die. Oops. Looking good. Right, what have we got? I think Gamma Guts is the way to go. I'm going to switch to the plasma gun because it's going to be hilarious. Oh god, ow! Why are you still alive? Okay, maybe this was a mistake. I'm very nearly dead. Whoa! Ooh, a flamethrower, nice. Haha, good times. Don't have much way ammo for this. We'll see how we get on with this kind of setup. Best thing to take, I think, at this point is HP. Oh god! Oh, there was flame there. Why is there flame there? There is, however, health there, so that's cool. I'm out of flame ammo, so then no plasma gun. Looking good. Oh goodness me! Oh wow, that was terrible. That was like the worst thing I've ever done. Oh, why wouldn't you die? I regret everything. Plasma gun's a bit of an unwieldy weapon, I will admit. Energy sword, I much prefer at this point. So, oh wow, and walking into bullets I don't recommend. So now I have a lightsaber. So that's awesome. I did not expect that to happen. Well, that was that. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop the stream entirely and give it a few seconds, and I'm going to come back online. I'll let you guys know when I'm actually back online. And, oops, I did not mean that to happen. Let's just exit. Quit queue. There we go. Excellent. Intermission time while I get set up, and I will be back very shortly. Ta-ta.